welcome to Nairobi, and thank you very much for paying us a visit.
It's fine. It's fine. Restful.
Yeah.
My sister.
Welcome to your home.
Thank you.
Of course.
Hey, Monsieur le Président.
Hello.
Brother, welcome to Nairobi. Welcome. Thank you very much. Thank you. Karibu sana. How are you, sir? Very good. Welcome to your Ahmed Bako is here. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I am greatly honored and delighted to have this opportunity to welcome you to the city of Nairobi and to Kenya. Let me just give you one or two tips about Kenya. First, around the city of Nairobi, it is a city that has a canopy of very green on one side and also a national park in the city. In the national park, which is maybe 10, 15 minutes from your hotel room, we have wildlife, lions and all manner of wildlife. We have tried to fence, but sometimes, as you know, wild animals, they break away from the fence. So if you take time to walk around the city of Nairobi and you meet a lion, please be careful. We try to keep them inside. Secondly, let me also welcome you to Nairobi, to Kenya, and to give you some information that scientists, and I am one of them, have proven that the earliest remains of man are in Kenya. And therefore, for those of you who know the history of humankind, this is where humanity began. And so while you are here and you feel at home, it is because you truly are at home. So